Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make coconut macaroons. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then separate the eggs, placing the whites into a large bowl. Then add in the sugar and whisk them really well until the mixture is frothy. Then add in the coconut, vanilla extract, and salt. And mix them really well together until the coconut is well coated in the mixture. Then scoop 1 to 2 tablespoons of the mixture and place them onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper, spacing them out about 1 inch apart. And bake them in the oven for about 15 minutes until they're golden brown. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for 5 minutes. And place them onto a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And that's how to make coconut macaroons. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.